Hey Chu, here's the cost of raising you from the beginning of the year until now.
So what? It's your duty to take care of me, Mama.
Hayes, do you remember what happened in April that made it the most expensive month?
Remember when you took me to the vet?
Right. Haha.
But how did you make that chart with the focus on the highest point?
It's really simple. Check out the attached video. First, for this chart, to display the max point, we will need to create a max expense column with the formula shown on the screen. Then we will draw the line chart as usual. I will select the max expense data, go to the Marker tab, choose a built-in circle shape with a size of 10. I will select No Fill and increase the width of the border. Next, we will add a data label for this point. I will color the font the same as the circle. At this point, we don't need the legend anymore, so I will remove it. Then, I will add the series name for the line. I will test to see if the max point moves automatically. Finally, I will explain this part. Why use the NA function? If I replace it with an empty string, the chart shows a value of 0. If I replace it with the number 0, the result is the same. So remember, in a line chart, if you don't want the chart to display a certain value, you need to assign it the instr-NA error. How about it? Pretty easy, right? How about you, viewers? Easy, right? I hope this video is useful enough to earn your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Thank you all for spending your precious time watching my video.